Kochi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Pune. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in Indian football, globally renowned footballers will be playing alongside the best Indian footballers with a mission to revolutionize the sport. Hero Indian Super League is positioned as a high-quality and dynamic league that will elevate Indian football to an international level. So one more round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, तालियां हो जाए एक बार. All right. Now you're going to clap when I announce this because it's going to be very exciting, something you all have been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to call the charming, sporty, talented and iconic co-owner of Chennai Football Club, Mr. Abhishek Bachchan. Welcome, sir.
All right. Good afternoon, members of the media. Aap sabka swagat hai. Thank you. It's a very important day for all of us here at Chennai NFC. We get to unveil our jersey. Just to start off with, you will have to excuse one of our co-owners. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, as you know, is busy on national duty, so could not be with us today, but he sends his best wishes. So today I have with me some of the members of our team, because as you know, we're about to kick off the ISL. Opening match is on the 12th in Kolkata, and Chennai plays its first match on the 15th in Goa against Goa. So all the boys are busy training right now in Chennai. We have, with a lot of difficulty, managed to pry out 5-6 of them to come here to be with us today. And they're all very excited to come and meet you all. मैंने उन सबसे कहा है कि मुंबई का जो मीडिया है is very loving and very kind. I will not ask them any controversial questions. So I'm not going to take up much of your time because I know everybody's very busy. I'd like to now invite upon stage my partner in crime in Chennai NFC, the co-owner of Chennai FC, the very beautiful and a wonderful friend of mine, Mrs. Vita Dani.
Good afternoon and a very warm welcome today. Thank you for being here. First of all, I'd like to thank Mr. Srini Gopalan, the CEO of Ozone Group, for believing in us, for being here today, and for being the primary sponsor of Team Chennai FC. I have to admit that my journey with Chennai FC has been very exciting. I started the partnership of Kabaddi League, and then we moved on to the winner of the Champions League, which is MS Dhoni. And I'd like to believe that we are moving in the right direction. But all this is only possible with the performance of our team players. So I really look forward to the entire season, and I look forward to your continual support. Thank you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we're all here for. It is